Via 28 with the new Via, and it's snowing a lot. Oh, I have snow on my camera. My camera needs to focus. There. I'm gonna stand over here. Yeah, that's the new Via. That's the adventure set, for sure. Is he shooting snow? Yeah. Not that much. There's a lot of snow on him, though. Oh! First horn show! I never got a horn show from the new Via yet. That was my first. It just proved me wrong. I was just telling my grandpa, I've never gotten a horn show. I don't think it has an emergency horn, and I don't think it has all that.
Well, there it is.
There it is. Well, anyway, that was pretty good. First emergency horn from the new Via.
Well, that was good.
I was just telling him. He's not going to do it. He's not going to do it. I'm not standing close just for that.
I want to see that video.
Yeah. All right. See you guys next time. Goodbye.